something a little different. Weather's turning sour, so time to do a little maintenance. I'm going to show you what we got going on here. So a few weeks ago I put these beautiful Vance & Hines short shots on, and I didn't replace the gaskets that go up here to the motor. I got them right here. They recommend that you change them, and when I got the pipes I didn't have the gaskets. I got all excited and just kind of chunked them on there. So what we got basically to do it: 1/2 inch end wrench, extension, ratchet, 6-point socket, and a swivel. So I'm just gonna basically try to do this and somehow video it, so bear with me because I've never done a video like this before. So let's get into it. So we're gonna start by taking this rear pipe off first. For that, use a ratchet, and that what we're gonna do, go ahead and get in there, just break them loose, just a little, so they're kind of little play, a little wiggle. Now keep in mind, I am not a certified mechanic by any means, so might be something that I'm not doing. Somebody's gonna be like, "Oh, you're not doing that right." Jesus. Oh, they'll tighten these on there. This is what's left of the old gasket. Somehow, I'm trying to get that out of there. Which does not look like it's going to be an easy task. So, we'll see what happens. Wish me the best of luck. bolts out because when somebody put them on there, they didn't put Loctite on them. Not that they would probably ever come loose, but I just want to make sure. So we're going to go ahead and Loctite those, and then we'll start the process of putting the pipes back on. Together again. I think we did all right. I think we did good. Not sure how this will turn out because this is my first attempt at doing a how-to video, I guess. Wouldn't even call it a how-to video, but yummy. Anyways, off to see if I can put this all together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.